Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best action camera chest mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're skiing, cycling, hiking, or diving, a good chest mount can completely transform your footage. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5 is the VVHOY 3-in-1 Universal Action Camera Accessories Kit. What sets this kit apart is its versatility. Not only does it include a chest mount harness, but it also comes with a head strap and a selfie stick, making it a great all-in-one solution for action camera users. This kit is ideal for those who want to experiment with different mounting setups for a variety of outdoor sports like skiing, mountain biking, or even skydiving. In terms of build quality, the VVHOY chest mount is made with adjustable straps that can comfortably fit most body types. However, the materials feel slightly less premium compared to other options on this list. The inclusion of the J-hook buckle and long screw bolt ensures stability while recording, but the overall construction might not hold up to heavy wear and tear over time. At 11.3 ounces, it's the heaviest option here, which might not appeal to users who prioritize lightweight gear. While this kit offers great value for its multifunctional design, the chest mount itself doesn't provide the same level of comfort or performance as some of the higher-ranked options on this list. The pros include its affordability and versatility, while the cons are its bulkiness and average build quality. This is a good starter kit for those new to action cameras. But if you're looking for a dedicated chest mount with superior performance, keep watching. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Adjustable Chest Mount Harness for GoPro camera. This budget-friendly option is perfect for casual users who want a simple, no-frills chest mount for their GoPro cameras. It's compatible with all GoPro Hero models, making it a versatile choice for most users. The design is straightforward and functional, with fully adjustable straps that fit a wide range of body sizes. The harness is lightweight at 6.2 ounces. And while it doesn't have the premium feel of higher-end options, it's durable enough for everyday use. The mount helps capture dynamic perspectives during activities like skiing, snowboarding, and mountain biking, offering a stable platform for immersive, hands-free footage. However, the lack of additional padding or breathable materials means that comfort might be an issue during extended use. The Amazon Basics chest mount stands out for its unbeatable price point, making it an excellent option for those on a tight budget. Pros include its compatibility, affordability, and ease of use, while the cons are its basic design and limited comfort features. If you're just starting out or need a reliable backup chest mount, this is a solid choice. Coming in at number 3 is the TechCam Chest Harness Mount Adjustable Chest Strap Belt. Designed for versatility, this mount is compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro, Akaso, and DJI Osmo. It's a great option for users who own multiple camera brands or models. The build quality is solid, with adjustable straps that offer a snug fit for chest circumferences between 25 and 57 inches. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear over large jackets, making it suitable for winter sports. The inclusion of a metal thumb screw enhances durability, though you'll need to ensure it's wiped down after water activities to prevent rust. The TechCam chest mount is particularly suited for capturing immersive action shots, whether you're skiing, mountain biking, or even horseback riding. The TechCam chest mount strikes a good balance between price and performance. The pros are its wide compatibility and durable design, while the cons include potential rust issues with the metal parts and slightly less refined comfort compared to premium options. This is a great pick for users who need a versatile, reliable chest mount without breaking the bank. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the sametop chest mount harness strap body mount chesty. This model stands out for its upgraded design that emphasizes both stability and comfort. With padded, breathable materials, it's perfect for long hours of use during activities like hiking, skiing, or cycling. The sametop chest mount features a quick-release buckle, making it easy to put on and take off, even while wearing gloves. The straps are fully adjustable, ensuring a secure fit for a wide range of body types, including over bulky winter gear. The stabilization structure is particularly impressive, providing a steady platform for capturing hands-free POV footage. You'll love the lower-than-helmet perspective that showcases more of your arms, knees, and equipment in action. With a near-perfect rating from users, the sametop chest mount is a premium choice for those who prioritize comfort and performance. Pros include its padded design, excellent stability, and versatility, while the only con is its slightly higher price compared to basic models. If you want a reliable and comfortable chest mount for serious adventures, this one is hard to beat. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the GoPro Performance Chest Mount. As the official GoPro mount, this product is designed with unmatched quality and performance in mind, making it the ultimate choice for GoPro users. The lightweight, flexible construction balances comfort and functionality beautifully. The padded and breathable materials ensure all-day comfort, even during intense activities. What sets this mount apart is its specially designed quick-release buckle, which makes it incredibly easy to use, even with gloves on. Whether you're skiing, cycling, or diving, this chest mount provides a stable platform for capturing immersive, cinematic footage. The GoPro Performance Chest Mount is the gold standard for action camera chest mounts. Pros include its premium build quality, exceptional comfort, and ease of use, while the only downside is its higher price. If you want the best of the best for your GoPro adventures, this is the chest mount to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect action camera chest mount for your needs. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy adventuring.